So it's Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash. Just a little testimonial real quick about Jill's office. It's been awesome to be able to scale our office, to be able to have that backup, because invariably we may get 25 calls in a day and 10 of them all come in the same 5 minutes. So that way we've got a backup. They can help take over, answer that, at least get that message from that person instead of them immediately hanging up, calling somebody else. So we're able to do it that way. They've been able to help us with irate clients before, being able to have an idea of, okay, this is what's going on. Yeah, I can call that person in a few minutes, or if it is a problem, being able to then reach out to the technicians and not having to deal with them right there on the spot. I love just having that as an extra backup. It's also helped me as an owner who's always been glued to my phone to be able to, in the evenings, kind of rely on them to be able to take some of those calls, knowing that somebody's going to answer it and it doesn't have to be Rob. And I like, too, the scalability of it. It's a lot harder, especially with us doing Christmas lights, and in the spring, we up our plan or just pay more money. And then in the other times, we just have it as a good backup, and it still takes care of us. So we love it. Sign up. It's really simple because, quite frankly, what you pay for Jill's office, 1 or 2 jobs completely covers it, and you're still profitable on top of that. So.